Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are doing a closet declutter, spring refresh. I'm not sure what I'm going to call it yet, but that's today's video. We are in my closet. I'm going to first do a quick little purge. I purge every season, so there shouldn't be too much coming out. Maybe shoes, but I'm going to quickly do a purge, and then I'm going to pull out like super winter things that I'm probably not going to be wearing anymore. It's pretty much 60 and above every day here in DC. So I'm going to pull out the winter stuff and then bring out from this closet back here, bring out my spring stuff. I'll show you what I am getting rid of and kind of why. Like, talk through that super quick. Just so that will help if you need to do a purge yourself, kind of my reasoning, my thought process when I get rid of things, because I am pretty ruthless. I find I've been told that I don't hang on to things for sentimental value unless there's like a legit reason, but not just like I looked cute in that before. But if I'm not wearing something, I'm quick to get rid of it. So, and of course, leave any questions below. And if you like this type of content or anything with style, luxury, fashion, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification. Let's get started. Okay, so you've seen me just go through the shoes, and I'm purging actually a lot from the shoes. So I like to purge before I do the spring winter swap, because there's no point in storing things that I didn't wear this season for the following fall winter. Because if I didn't wear them this season, I'm probably not going to wear them next season either, because there's going to be new styles and all that stuff. So I'll walk through all the things I'm getting rid of and then what I'm just storing away that I know I want to keep and wear next season. So here is everything that I am giving away. These kind of moto boots from Public Desire that I never wore. These Zara shoes that I loved at one point and thought maybe I would wear them again this season, but I did not. Those Mark Fisher tennis shoes, they're super comfy, but I just didn't wear them enough to keep them. Cowboy boots, I always think that I'm going to wear these, and I just don't. They're not my style. These fringe boots I've had forever, and I love them, so I kept them another season, but I didn't wear them at all this winter. 2 pairs of Zara shoes, never wore those, just thought they were cute, got caught up in the hype. And then these are just not my style anymore. I wore those a lot when I worked at Target and would have like visits or something. These Chanel shoes that I have been holding on to, they're just a little too small for my feet, and I didn't know that when I bought them, so I need to sell those. That's what I'll probably do. These little feather shoes are so cute, but I have never worn them. I got these shoes in Greece, I think. Also never wore them. And then these little boots. I wore these a lot like 2 years ago, but I don't wear them anymore. Same thing. I think we all had a pair of sock boots, but I don't wear them anymore. And then these are like little knockoff Chloe dupe that I haven't worn over 2 years. So I'm getting rid of all of these, and then these I am storing away. And that's a bag of summer stuff that has all of my summer sandals and shoes in it, so I'm going to put those into the closet. So these are Michael Kors, yeah, and I love the color, but I know even though I can wear boots still, I'm not going to be wearing this deep burgundy color because it's just more of a fall winter color. And then again, this black pair of Gucci, I'm not going to be wearing those anytime soon. These I'm not sure about, so I'm just going to keep them because they're fairly new, and we'll see next year. And then these two are thigh highs, that flat pair and this tall pair. So I'm not going to be wearing those into spring. And then my Uggs, you always need a pair of Uggs, you just never know. So I'm keeping those, and I will store them in that closet over there. That's where I keep the non-seasonal things. See, we've made lots of space. All of that is empty for sandals, and then some space down there too. So I'm out of breath. That took a lot. And it was just one section, but the other sections will be fairly easy. Okay guys, shoes are done. They're looking pretty good if I do say so myself. As you can see, I have a lot less summer shoes. I don't know why I have a lot more boots and like tennis shoes and stuff. So I'm leaving this space kind of light up here for shoes to come. But again, I just don't wear, and these are kind of like heels up here. I just don't wear heels that much. Like, I try to be very realistic. If I spend money on heels, they're not going to get a lot of use. So, as you can see, the majority of my shoes are flat because that's what I wear. So, we're going to move on to shirts, and this will be fairly easy. The shoes took the most time because I just had a lot of stuff that I knew I hadn't worn that I needed to get rid of. But the rest of the closet should be a lot quicker. I had to put my hair up. It's getting real out here. Okay, let's get into it. Okay. Oh, sorry. Let me turn off my video I'm watching. I'm literally watching someone else organize their closet. Listen, we're all trying to help each other. I watch somebody, you guys watch me, you do the same thing. It's a circle of life. But we are done. Look at all that room we made. Oh, it makes me so happy. Look at all that room. And I'll go through what I'm getting rid of and then what's just going in storage. Mostly what's going in storage is like turtlenecks, just classic items. And then like the really thick, heavy sweaters that I'm not going to be wearing anymore into spring and summer. But I kept the things that I'm donating hanging so you can kind of see. These are things that I have never worn this entire season. And some I didn't wear the season before and I kind of like just kept to see if I would wear them. This is something that I thrifted and I just thought it would be like really good for like that menswear look, but I just didn't wear it. This leather shirt, I let the hype get to me. This is a Zara piece. Never wore it. This sweater I love from H&M, and I've had it for like 3 years, but I didn't wear it this past season, so I'm not going to keep it in hopes that I would wear it again. Again, another thrifted item. It's a thrifted item. This is kind of like one of those Zara basics, but the color is just not, every time I put it on, I never love how it looks against my skin. So, getting rid of that. Same thing with that one. I never wore this. I don't know. I thought it was a pretty color, but I just never liked it on me again. This still has a tag on it from Zara. Never wore it. Again, it was like I was just really getting into puffy sleeves, but I'm not a huge fan of peplums. I like to tuck my things in, so I just never wore this one. And same thing, I liked this print, but I never liked this sweater when I, like every time I would try to wear it, it just never panned out. So these are the things out of shirts that we are gonna get rid of. Let's go through blazers next. My arm hurts. Okay, bye. Oh, I forgot to show you what I am just putting up. Again, this is all just like thick sweaters, turtlenecks, classic staple pieces that it's just gonna be too warm to wear. Okay, we got blazers done and we got pants done. Mainly it was like taking away all of the black pants. I don't really wear black pants in spring and summer, so I kept, I think, like a pair of dress pants, a pair of joggers, and a pair of skinny jeans, just in case I need them. But I have like 4 pair of like leather pants that I'm gonna like put in storage in my little storage area, and then I have like 5 or 6 black skinnies because I wear them so much in winter that I like to have several pair. So I'm just gonna keep one out and put the rest away. So I'll show you what that is, and then I'll show you what I have that I am getting rid of. So let me turn you around. All right, so these are just the things that are going in storage. All of my leather pants, and then these are just all black skinnies. Again, I have multiple pairs because I like what I like. And then this is the stuff that's different that I'm getting rid of. These are just not comfortable. They're a pair of like Zara straight leg jeans. These I just never wore. I thought they'd be fun, but I never wore them. Gray skinnies that I thought would be a nice alternative to black, but I didn't wear them all winter, so I know I'm not going to wear them next year. These are just a pair of straight leg jeans, but they don't fit well, and every time I went to put them on this season, I didn't like them, so I'm going to get rid of those. These are super cool, but I've never wore them, so again, something that I tried all season to wear that I didn't get the use out of, so getting rid of those, and we'll put them in the bag. We still have to bring out the spring clothing because we only brought out the shoes, so that's what's up in those bins, those 2 bins. I'll bring those down once we go through this last section because I like to keep things somewhat neat and organized as I do this, or I'll just get overwhelmed and want to quit. So once we go through this last section, we'll pack up all of the stuff we're donating, take that out of the room, pack up all of the stuff that's just gonna be put in storage because we're gonna put it in those bins. So I'll sit it in the corner, and then once I take those things out, I'll put those things in. I just have to keep it organized or I'll overwhelm myself. Little tip from me to you. Okay, last section. Let's go. Finished dresses and pants. I didn't get rid of a ton. A few skirts that I hadn't worn all winter that I've had for a while, like 2 dresses, but not much. Mainly anything leather, again, I'm putting in storage. So I have everything in a little pile that's going to go in those bins once we get the spring stuff out. So I am going to take the bags out of the room that are going to be donated and put them in like our little hallway. And then we'll get out the spring stuff, and Lord, we're almost done. It's been 2 hours, and I'm tired, and I'm hot from the spring light, but we're almost done. We can do it. We can do it. You can do it too. I hope you're doing it while I'm doing it. Okay, bye. Okay, so you saw me start to take the bins down, but I looked through them, and they're mostly like really summery things, so I'm not going to bring those out yet because it's just not that warm. Like, it's mainly like crop tops, tank tops, really like short skirts and dresses, are really like lightweight dresses, and I don't think I need those quite yet. So I'll probably bring those out like May, the beginning of May, or like maybe the end of April. It's just still a little too chilly for all of that. So I guess I'm gonna end the video here. You saw me go through everything. I'll kind of give you a once over of how it all looks and turned out. But I've already put up the stuff that I'm just keeping for next fall, winter. And I hope this was helpful. Leave any questions below, but this is how I declutter. I hope me going in depth after every section kind of helps you determine what to keep, what to get rid of when you are doing your closet purge. And I think that's all. Of course, if you stuck around this long, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification so you never miss a video. Follow me on Instagram at Highlowluxxe and read my blog, highlowluxxe.com. As always, thanks for watching. See ya.